In this video I will show you how to repair Mercedes SL roof electronic. There are few major failures, about 4 or 5. One of them are those diodes. First step on diodes is to check it in diode mode with instrument, if it is okay or not. You need to check all of them. After you checked it, second step is to solder from one side and move it like this, because sometimes glass diode is cracked and it works sometimes not, but you're not sure. I had cases I check it with instrument and it's okay, but after I move one side I see the crack and it doesn't work anymore. This can happen on the car, this can happen when it's cold outside or too hot or something. And when you solder all of them by one side, you will see if one cracked or not. Then you can check if it's okay. Other side, this is NPN. Just a second. Second major issue is with the wiring for this and those two spots for window opening. Sometimes you have shorted wire indoors and these lines will burn like fuse. Third is to check those diodes NPN, NPN, PNP. Okay. 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 Now this one. This one is okay. This unit works now. If you can see, there was some shorted wire on the ground wiring on the car. This wire was broken and this one below transistor. Now from the inside, I had cases when some of the relays for the valves for the roof, oil pressure control, was in defect. It didn't work. When I tested here 12 volts on those spots, you can check if it clicks or not. Those relays are for window opening, left side and the right side. Second thing and the last thing is, when we make repair of any issue on this control unit, for example, you send it, something doesn't work, and maybe only one diode is in defect, we always make preventive repairs with changing this diode. We change multiplexers and we change relay controls. They are very hard to find original one, but we can test it on the bench. Anyway, we always change it, and we test all inside diodes with instrument and with soldering iron, if it is cracked or not. This part is for window opening, left and right side, and this is TTL control. On some T2 units we had a defect on this chip. This is processor unit, and this is 5 voltage supply on this part. And if you are not sure if you can repair it, you can send it to us and we will repair it with warranty. This unit was specific when we made preventive repair, change of some controls, change of relays, because it was in very bad condition. We noticed opening of the roof stops on almost last step. We found that there is 2 rotten wirings connecting to these diode spots from this multiplexer, and with simple silver, this is industrial silver wire from Oki, we connected it to where it should be, and now unit works. Thank you.